Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating Electrolux range error code F68 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error often pops up due to issues with the oven's temperature sensor or a communication glitch between the control board and the appliance's components. Don't worry. I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could save you a service call and get your range back up and running in no time. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, make sure your range is unplugged or turned off at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's dive in. Start by checking for any obvious problems. Open the oven door and inspect the temperature sensor located at the back of the oven cavity. Look for any signs of damage, like burns, corrosion, or loose connections. If it looks okay, grab a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. For most Electrolux models, the sensor should read around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature. If it's way off, you might need to replace it. Next, reset the range. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Turn off the power for at least 5 minutes, then turn it back on. If the error persists, check the wiring harness connected to the control board. Dust or loose wires can cause this code. Carefully unplug and replug any connectors, making sure everything is secure. While you're at it, clean the control panel with a soft cloth to remove any buildup that might be interfering. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a more complex problem with the control board itself. In that case, it's best to contact a certified technician to avoid voiding your warranty or causing further damage. Remember, appliances like these have specific diagnostics, so professional help is often worth it. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing Electrolux range error code F68. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and happy fixing.